Welcome to qnawire.
Here the question is, write electronic configurations for the following transition metal ions. So we are starting with the A. A is scandium. For writing any electronic configuration of the ions, first write the electronic configuration of the neutral atom. So A is scandium and its atomic number is 21. Outer electronic configuration should be after argon. Argon is the nearest noble gas. That configuration, it should have 4s2 3d1. So scandium 3 plus should be up to Ar, it will remain same. When you are removing the electron, first you have to remove electron from the 4s orbital, then from 3d orbital. This is 3 plus, that means 3 electrons you have to remove from the outer orbital. So first you are removing from the 4s orbital, that will be 0, and from after that from the 3d, that is again 0. So this should be the outer electronic configuration. It should be like argon in case of scandium 3 plus. Now come to B. B is ruthenium, Ru. Its neutral atom electronic configuration should be, it is after nearest noble gas is krypton, and after that it should be 5s2 4d6. It is below iron and in fifth period, 8th group. So this should be the outer electronic configuration in case of ruthenium. And here we want its electronic configuration when Ru is losing 2 electrons. So this electronic configuration should be after krypton, s electrons are removed first, so 5s0. And 4d6 will remain same. 2 electrons are removed from the s orbital first. So this should be the electronic configuration of Ru2 plus. Next is Ru3 plus. So after krypton, 2 electrons are removed from the s orbital and 1 from the d orbital. So 5 electrons are left over here. This is Ru3 plus electronic configuration of ruthenium. Now come to B. After B, it should be C. C is Ir, that is iridium, which is present in group 9 and it is below cobalt and at the 6th period. So Ir electronic configuration should be neutral atom it is nearest noble gas configuration xenon, and after that 6s2 5d7. This is neutral atom, and here it is the question of IR plus cation electronic configuration, and that should be, this part is not disturbed, noble gas configuration. After that, one electron is removed from the s orbital. By that we are getting one positive, and 5d7 will remain same. And in case of IR3 plus, xenon will remain same, and one more electron removed from the s orbital, so here it should be 0, and 5d7, in place of that it should be 6 now. Total 3 electrons are removed for getting 3 plus ion, and first it is removed from the s orbital, then from the d orbital. So this should be the outer electronic configuration of IR3 plus. Now come to D. D is Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus. For this we are supposed to know the Mn configuration. Mn is actually, after argon you can write the outer electronic configuration of Mn, that is 4s2 3d5. This is in case of Mn. Now, when you have to remove 2 electrons, again the same rule. You are removing from the 4s orbital first and then from 3d. So after argon, you can write 4s0 and 3d5. 2 electrons are removed, both from the 4s orbital. And this should be the outer electronic configuration of Mn2 plus.